Hello YouTube, this is a Dayan Rubiks Cube unboxing. Hold on one sec, I gotta open the box first. I bought it from Amazon. Hold on. Alright. This is the box it came in. There's some other stuff. Receipt. Alright. Some Japanese kid. Some Japanese kid. Some like goose. Alright, let's open it. Ooh. Alright, I heard a lot about the cut. Oh, it's nice. Alright. Most Rubiks cubes can't do this. They're not built that way. This one is. Let's try it like that. Oh, can't do that. Can go this way. It can. Oh, just threw my Rubik's Cube away. Awkward. Very nice. Nice smooth texture. It looks nice. It's a very nice cube. I recommend any Rubik's Cube fans to buy one. It's very nice.